Good morning, class. I hope you all are fine. Okay, since you all were so busy in answering your exams and memorizing or grasping the answers, so you didn't get any time to learn something new. So let's start with the new topic. We're going to learn something new in grammar today, that is pronouns. Although we had one class based on pronouns, where to reinforce the pronouns in the sentences or like that. Now we are going to learn the details. Okay, in that class we learned about what is a pronoun, where it is used, and first person, second person, third person. All these things were revised in our last class. So let's have a recap of it. Pronouns. What are pronouns? Actually, pronouns are the words which are always ready to step in for nouns. Okay, means those are the words. Pronouns are the words which replaces the nouns. For example, Raj is a good boy. Raj likes ice cream. Raj is a good player. So it's a bit awkward if we keep using Raj again and again. But instead of using Raj again and again, we can replace Raj with some other word. So the word which is going to replace Raj is a pronoun. Clear? Let's have a look at pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. These are the most common pronouns. We also have the further category of pronouns which changes in the next part of the sentence. But these are the basic pronouns. Okay, so if we go according to first person, second and third person, let's see. For the first person, the person who is speaking, okay, we use two pronouns here, I and we. I is for single, like if you are talking only about yourself, and we when you have a group and you are also there in that group, then we use these two pronouns. And in the next part of the sentence, I changes to me and we changes to us. Clear? This is about the first person. If we come up across the second person, how we are going to reinforce the pronouns? For the second person, we use next pronoun, that is you. Okay, you can be used for the single person as well as if you have to use for more than one, for the group. Like I can be talking to one single person or I can be talking to a group of people, but the pronoun used will be you. Clear? Next is in the letter part we can use it as yours. Okay. Okay, third person means when we are talking about some other person who is not there in the conversation, but we are discussing about that person. So we use the pronouns he, she, they. Okay, he, she, they. In the next part of the sentence, he becomes him, she becomes her, and they becomes them. Okay, and for the things or animals or birds, we use the pronoun it. Is it clear, children? So these are the pronouns. This was the quick recap. Now we are going to start with the exercise. Now we're going to start with the exercise. You have to circle the pronouns in the first one. As you are aware about all the pronouns, which are the pronouns I, he, she, it, they, you, we, her, him, us, them, it, their. These all are the pronouns. So we are going to read the sentence very carefully and we'll circle the pronouns. See, one day when I was playing with some friends, I saw Anita and Anuj crossing the road outside their house. Okay, so I is the pronoun here. Again, I, their house. So there are three pronouns in first sentence. Next is they said they were going to the park. They is again a pronoun. We are talking about Anita and Anuj, in which you are not involved. So they, third person. They at both the places. Next is we said we would go with them. So we means we, in which you are also involved. So again, we is the pronoun at both the places, and them is referred to Anita and Anuj. Anita ran back to get her football. So her, in the next part, Anita's means she is converted to her. Next is, she said we had to be careful with it. Again, she, we and it are the pronouns in this sentence. Next is, it was a present from her uncle. Present means gift. So it was a present from her uncle. It is used for present and her is referred to Anita. He was a famous football player. He means uncle. So take a look at these first, second and third person. Let's move to the next part. Last part, color the boxes that contain pronouns. So you have to find out the pronouns and you have to color the boxes. Like we, they, my. All these are pronouns. Paper, you, mine. So do it yourself. Try to do it yourself. Okay, these all colored ones are the pronouns. We, they, my, you, mine, us, them, he, their, she, yours. These all are the pronouns. Come to the next exercise. You have to circle the correct pronoun. Krishnan had an eraser. Dash lost dash. Krishnan means we are talking about single person. So he lost it. It is used for eraser. He is used for Krishnan. Second one, Manjeet said dash could run faster. So what Manjeet is saying? Manjeet is talking about himself. So he could run faster. Us is used for more than one, but we are talking about only Manjeet. Next is dash are a teacher. Are is not used with she or he, but it can be used with you. So you are a teacher. Rita, Robert and Rakesh have finished dash homework. We are talking about three persons. So their homework. Okay. My name is Anjum dash am 8 years old. My name is Anjum. So we are talking about only Anjum is talking about himself. So we'll use I. I am 8 years old. Harish do dash play the piano. So we are asking Harish that do you play piano? So you. Next is fill in the blanks with pronouns from the box. You can use a pronoun twice. So pronouns are given and you have to use them in the blanks given. You can use them twice. Vikas is my friend and I play with dash every day. So Vikas is my friend. I play with Vikas is a boy. So we are going to use him over here. I play with him every day. Dash will win the match tomorrow if we play well. So we will. You are also there in that team. Next, give dash back my pencil, said Anwar. Anwar is saying that please give me back my pencil. Give me back my pencil. We saw 10 horses and dash were all black. We are talking about 10 horses. Okay, so they were all black. You are not there, so they.